Hey guys, so I don't know if you play Last Day on Earth, but today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of Last Day on Earth so you can get unlimited coins. So as you can see, I'm pretty low right now, but when I press this button, I can activate the mod menu and get unlimited coins. So I'm going to turn that up and let's see if the coins go up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this Last Day on Earth modded version for your device so you can get unlimited coins. So as you can see, it should start increasing soon. So I'm going to show you guys, it works. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this Last Day on Earth modded version so you can get unlimited coins. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Matrix Mods, and you just want to type in Last Day on Earth, and as you can see, there it is. So press on it, press download. Before this downloads, there is going to be one more step. So this is the verification. So basically what you have to do is download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, it says almost there, additional files are required. So this is where we got to download the 2 apps. So we got like Travel Town. This one's like download, reach level 9. So I just press continue, go to the app store and play it till I'm level 9. So it's like a game. So you just want to make sure you do 2 of these. So then go back to the list, see what else there is. So we got World Winner, Mo Casino. So yeah, if you press help, you got this video. But that's how to get Last Day on Earth hack for your device so you can get unlimited coins. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you want to get unlimited coins, definitely go ahead and try this out. It's super easy. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and you should be able to get unlimited coins on Last Day on Earth with this mod. I've had no problems with it. It fully works, guys. So I'm gonna see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It's super cool, and I've done everything I could to get this working, and I have to say it's actually pretty fun. So if you guys are broke on Last Day on Earth, this is how to get the modded version. So be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later. Be subscribed to the channel because this is super cool. Fully works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, if you want to get unlimited coins, this is the new method, guys, so be sure to try it out. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, get the word out, and you too can get unlimited coins in Last Day on Earth. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, and peace out, my gang.